Right, kwatani kindeto chaweru daitato roboruari ne yamayara twikirite orito kindeto hii.
Yarato kudhurania kirindato cia weru urataini mutujwa Lea Premium Fortified Sifted Maize Meal na Lea Premium All Purpose Fortified Wheat Flour kuma kiri kampuni ya New Palea Millers. Lea Premium, nurturing the world.
Gavana Mutuma Kunyelia Munini okene leader Kiome na Rahimu akiwa tena wochindana nweke durano netwetete. MCA Caleb Gutareri amade na kiremewa za kiolota CS Mogai kwa gadam Miru. Cecily Mbariro kwirwa ni seneta achoke milioni 10 tumire yutaten na wado. Rweto kuretera gichunche kembere kerono roa mwanya mauku yamira. Tukiwa naira mwanka mudia kiendeto cheto na kedere nyokyo la nyumendeto kwena kalono moneto madidi oroboruare ni Purity Richard na ngeto Phineas imana nandeto choero de dato ikamberia da ichochongwa siasa ichonekete kumatabone ne kire oruguria bwa kwagiriria kabita kiaria ngabana mutumana ugete madina munini wangabana wa county ya Meru Nelinda Kiome akiuga nenda tumbo munyelia tabura idrite kinyela konekaira mwangaza akilota kawira negutambia urongobo kaita ne kauna ya munini wa speaker mbunge Meru nedrite kirita mukana kira minister bandwangi mwanya na kubera bari bateguita batewa tambaru ngabana mutumanto edingia baketira ni bakioka irueta gari ni mbunge ya Meru na mbunge wa North Imenti Rahim akiwa wakumuchinda kire kidurano kia 2027 atachiarwa muduri murio kina utwamberia chono mudutira yoyo siasa
Muthirano na arua Governor Meru Reverend Mutuma Ntoithinke na tongerete mpango jwa kurigoria kuongera ruji ajandire muthirano Kangangi gukurukira kampuni ya Mabasco ira itongeretwe ni abisa munene mugendi.
When we do this bows, we'll have some more around a total of around 2,000 cubic meters of water. So we can promise the people of Meru, after doing all these projects, maybe we can have that one, the canita that we have and the bows, those are short term. But not the motor is the long term, that can serve the people of Meru for the next 20 years to come.
Tukwarazia chama ni atukua ikia kumbekana 3 months to tukurekia ngwerego. Ngweye, ruiro kinyao, na antumanjiria wetata, kunyoroi.
Amana bubu kireka ugiki bubunge North Imenti Raimdau no kaiku na mana ngavana betha bagitu meri ate mwankira neto kwa koromone ni tumeri tuna thirikari nene iketho ikiambia gwakwa.
Jana advertisement ya Gakoromone market imefanywa na ilikuwa kwa gazeti. Sasa wale walikuwa wanasema tunadanganywa, mtatuambia hata hiyo ilikuwa ya uongo hiyo advertisement.
Twena thoko ya nitetie kinya price nitetie the cost of constructing that market nitetie ga kinya 1.2 billion niyo ekathirira but yambirite na 800 million
na bagito ina manzo ya siasa Governor Mutuma agotire nene na munini wawe ini na ndubara bakunjira nura wari Governor Kawira Mwangaza bakutha bakireta rumeno ruru
na mama Kawira no ene ndente menya imoninkira inyo mwandres no ntunti umante menya unko mwandres no ndo imbloga ba we bakureta nteto yi nande Mutuma umete kwa deputy oro yinyi burune ata mbomba kwethira ndena icio na deputy okwa Hapa kudhoania gande Kambuli just 9 months ago. Na hiyo haitapatikana, haiko, haitakuwa, haitawahi kuwa, si Gavana Mutuma.
Akiri kinyanto betha bakimurombera akareko na witi nambere na thiri gitankuruki.
Bo murombere ngai ya mweme yake mingi one ora mwathani guntu kwena ngwataniro aragia itharimo. One Meru ikiriba teka bako ona kawe na ngoa ende inyawe ona kawe na ngoa chionde mwangogore inyama maona Meru igiriba ari none
Amerika ndera karo bichine ibo kuona lieto remero rire kwage gweta na twage aibo ile okirire wao ni kila pomba kuwela ntubeto baraba koringa chiata imayenga wana kanya.
Antoni aja munini wa speaker ndene kaunti ya Meru no mwendari ethwa kirotera minister barakuga batira mitugo mega.
Wewe waziri wa support hivi kama ni waziri wa serikali unaenda kwa klabu kupiga picha una post kwa mitandao picha yako kuona ni edita sio ni aibu kuona ni yake sio tunaenda governor waziri bana wa support na watu tuilete kulitambo yetu kwa oversight kama kuna yule unaona afanye kazi tuambie ama namna gani Judy ndio mkato support governor bila uoga kwa na waziri wengine wanasumbuana mitandao kila siku ukora tu ausaidie serikali wewe kuimbia waziri.
Antoni nawe mubunge no Thimentire Daud auga kanogana na baraba kumweketha nonto na wetikio utoketha kemritarita kitene.
Ikiwa nimeshinda kura 4, nimeshinda kura mara 4 sio mara moja. Kuna watu wanafikiria wataniharibia jina kwa mtandao ama nini. Wacha niwaambie kura ni ground sio mtandao. Mtandao wewe endelea kupatiwa pesa ya mtandao, tutakupiga kwa ground, tukutane kwa ground. Tunaelewana? So mimi niko hapo pali niko na hakuna mtu ataniweza.
Muthuri Murioki, Waru TV, Muteto Kangangi.
Emzo municipality kale mutethia na ugete binere nene mewas nyatine ndi tombere kwagiridwa mwakene yongirilia riwa kinya kithira senate nitirite kathanga bana mutuma municipality banteri munende batidirite baina rui rokwana nongelete muro ya kathita yakayo kuthira na thirikari ni batire kugita bwampo ikenda wa kadams ngorokino lotete minister wa rui engineer Muga akimwira nteri ingi akibangira wa kadams gutiyo nende wa Meru mutugi kare na utwande toi
mestikira twagithiria as a community, as a government, is that project irethithirwe mu Japan 2000 almost 26 years ago. As a people tutombo me develop kairika tuchwando no ngeto me develop in a better way.
Ni migambo ya MCA wa municipality kale mutethi akiuga makosa jara thirikari athithire ni kura kwagirithia nkuruki murandi jwa thito ni mu Japan mwankene jwa ngirijiri jwegie ruji rwa mewazi na nkuruki akiuga kinya kethirwa bunge ya seneti gaonera kathire thirikari ya ngabana mutumanto ithinke ni kubangira mewasi karibu ariuga ni umainde amwe na mibango ejionthe municipality thine nene Bruni ruji rwa kung'ana na akiuga kinya kethira ni bakugwata kiroto kia Meru kwa city mbere mathirikari ni bangire mantu jegie ruji rung'ane wandine iji.
The kind of systems ira tuinacho are the best systems, but the worst mistake ira tuinio tutina ruji the systems ira nonto kia jotegera the main source ya ruji rwetu ratu gutumira from the upper side yetu tutumira kadita na thai kadita kayumi agintu kyo inju kwekiona the right way tubatina ndiko karande tuga project towards the future nonto kia jotegera narua municipality na environs tiayo tuna challenge nene muno ya ruji inene na narua twinde tu champion only included tu support ithogano ria governor yetu mutumanto edinkia tu support manto Meru City. Now ni anko ndiko caution on this one that other together na Meru City na neoto plan itubatiko that we plan on essential services jaruji ja sewage which I know something is happening.
Kuruki mataro jakarebu ni atibati gutega kikathita kiri kureta Ruji municipality akiuga ni untu thaiji kwarite no karuji ruite gitumi ruithira rute kung'ana buru ariuga thirikari ni bati kubanga kuthithia ndamu nene ntere cha mwito kana kirima irekethire kinenkeria kaunti ya Meru ruji rwa kung'ana akiuga ni batengete ikegana rimwe cha ndamu iretira kwa na nandi ni rombara wekiri waziri wa Ruji Eric Muga kubarika na umitaja kathetune kamo Meru
datega demira chonde chi proposed kuthithwi Kenya Kwanza government ndeja kuona tida minia mwere uthithwa in our region Meru county ko wiromba ampo mbi kuromba muka na arua from the upper side itukwenda major dam na ithirwa itagairwa na itagairwa rinene nonto it's the main thing ira umbo to solve the nera to inyo roje within municipality.
Report na Tito Shawero reakwari to ni mutuge kare
akorwa mwe banjori ncheketi ya mwana MC wa Muthara Aurelio murangiri ni batirimanite Muthara kenda kwariria wamba ponderia urabwithirite bukioneka utabarekia akorwa bari wa ntuku ya bakabwithia muchemanio irokareta mwatungiria kumantere ireringikite miro amuna rithi kendo chwantaira ya utora bari ganende bagitete gamba kugita bo imawagagia koneka bukiongeleka
maniana wamba bwandithia bora bwithirite bwitabarikia ntere ciandonda cia Nyambene akaunti ya Meru ikundi ya Banjori Ncheke hamwe na MC wa kuma bondi ya Muthara no Uleri Murangiri ibakomanite muthenya wa muthekendo cokanira mugambo kumenya imbi kurera yingi ntere no kumana na wamba bwandithia
tukinyite arantu baiba kwa bokinya mwicho antu betu bakurawa alamisi dainya ara nyumba ya mumone twakarande tukari atongoria buonka muntu aichieta mutongoria na buonka muntu ena kio kia antu bameru tuchamani tumbe okwaya nontu mantu ya munya karegirwa muntu aringiri kura kia unika nonge tuinka no turemwe lakini tukia kwata na twinde ngwitikia twethera twina inye kwana yo tuma turuta ngwira tubati kuruta ewikaria Rwanda ru ne otumenya thirikari yumbo tukaria kwenda kuromba mbere tuthika kaibiria mbere ntuko emathiko ekinyaire kaikwa ngombe che kaibiri ichithere chimuchi chichoke itethia na bawe nya kithira mukuru wa wita na te chionka na ire inge chionde chianite wita
tutatimba tukunwa na ngambe wita mijina toto maskini na elected leaders kuma tonyere makathochi tutimana nyumba mumone ikana tukamya boto itethia
batu kuma thirikari yekuo ira ukuma irio twainyirilika nkuruki bura tutainyirwa ringi ntokira nkiwa ya kathirikari nyuma wa mbabu no tubona ithioro tutigumba
inara bawatanirite na kanyoka mona kuwa ntugo ya roa kurubonthe Banjori ya mwana arithi na kinya tongere wa kuma ntere cha Nyambene na arakwina wamba bubu bagakoma na ntere cha nyomba ya Njori ya mumone ntere wenu chatigane na kumenya baba kere banontu mwankira uba no getu magwirane mathirikari maraba kuwi morongo
tuetire na twatheta mwanka twaitwa i urari waziri wa intano eitariu kawe mwane tu Kindiki mbere ya deputy president na tweweta itwaririe nwe tukaria atongoria na twaria twetikaniria na twa na tu promise that operation ikabwidwa Murkomen na aitanire aita governor Omeru aita leadership ya assembly tongoretu e speaker Ayubundi na tu promise that within mathaa 70 na yaili bakabwithia operation ndene ya Meru kana ndene na arangombe iwitira na barikave ngombe ira cianire kuiwa butabwithikire icho iturare amuchamanio kwa governor iturare na muntu uraro amirite rutere rwa security ndene county atu nkamira chionde ichikilwe barabara ya Modogashe chite na IT chiebele nau kwina families na nara tukurithia ngombe chetu bubu tabwithwe ara kaibiri ara urairo nkamira idareo so nekinyete antu mantu yara yonthe tukwaraniria tuyo bichine tuya tumo bantu yakinyete point kwa tuika yara ruo bichine lakini baraba bati ku implement bati kubwithia
tukwae kidogo tuilebene kada tutama mutura kambene kimwe
waithira ikato tumwete kinyako kaunti komechina ato amuringaringira kuruitone twetete kinya mauru
kiripotera ndo cha weru kumantere chatigania betawa John Thiga
kuringana na mutali mathabu ya thirikari kaunti ya Embu etongeretwe ni ngavana Cecily Mbarire ni ati atumire milioni 10 yutati na watho kurekana mbeche ine ndi chiari chia county aggregation and industrial park inde Mbarire edire chika kia kebonda bonda ontobrani ndi withirite bukileta kia witi na mbere ndi senator ire kamiti ya sipa kiberite ngavana Mbarire kure milioni 10 na mpui
Cecily Mutitu Mbarire, gavana wa kaunti ya Embu, wantu kongi matindite mbele ya kamiti ya gusonkono tumiri bwa kigina kiri thirikari ya kaunti ya CPAC na ile tongeretwo ni seneta wa Homa Bay Moses Kajwang. Gavana Mbarire akithagira thinani nyuma mutari munene wa mathaa ma thirikari kwerithia ati kaunti ya Embu itinkiele ithinala milioni 10 jiathile ile jiabatire gutumira kirwiti na mbere bwa iwanda bia kaunti kana county aggregation and industrial parks. Gavana Mbarire agitetela akirithia ati kaunti ya Embu yari na mubango ukiritithia ba boda boda na milioni 10 jiathile gwitithia na mbere mubango jo.
Chair, around the month of June, we had what we were calling a Boda Boda Summit, where we were launching the Boda Boda Circle. And he came and told me, we have no money. There's no money yet. There's a delayed exchequer, and the summit was here. And this money we had undertaken to give to the circles. So part of that money went to the circles.
Kulingana na maseneta ba kamiti eno itagalelele ari kinyume na watho na Governor Cecily Mbarire athithirio ntubo bwa kemenyaga itagalelele mpaka mde likuwa miteweti na mbere boy wanda bibi.
There is a difference between somebody who breaks the law not knowing that they are breaking the law, but somebody who knows this is illegal and they go and do it and then they come and tell us here stories about honesty. Those ones must be subjected to even more severe punishment than the people who do break the law out of ignorance of the law. These are those criminals who know they are breaking the law. These ones, remember.
Just 2 days ago, we had a similar case where they raided the deposits account to finance a housewarming for the speaker's residence. So, I mean, it's just the same thing, maybe different flavors.
Maseneta babali ni barutie Governor Cecily Mbarire gucokia mbesa ino kagita kalabo giteba kamujukire matagere make watho.
It was an illegality. It was to be refunded. But even that refund would not cure the illegality. That refund was not done. But now we have an idea on what the money did.
How many exchequer releases have gone to Embu County since May of 2025? We need an explanation as to why refunding this money to KIPES is not a priority. Including Chair, when we were in Mombasa just recently, the Treasury showed us a disbursement schedule, and I believe there was money that was released to Embu County.
Chair, I'm promising you with the release that we have right now, because there's some release that came, we are going to fully refund the 10 million.
Okay.
Kwa sababu gavana wamekubali pesa ilitumika na ni makosa imepatikana. Ile kitu muhimu katika ulimwengu ni mambo ya dialogue. Bora gavana apatiwe time aende arudishe pesa before mweke recommendation. Bora tu ni yeye aseme atakaa muda gani kama amerudisha pesa.
When we are writing our report, we will determine what to do with that illegality.
Kuma mji muneno Nairobi, Mbita Anthony, Rangi wa Katenya.
Kenda mirae kinyathoko itinyari kana ithiranende kithokera barabarene arimi na biashara ba mirae bethera baitumaira mauku kumyoa iraithera ikonana na mario indi ti mario mauku ya nende ethera kirimo wana biashara na iranende arimi bakithira bakig biodrite bakiwa kaita karabare na thoko ya lada ni bathondekete mbeche nyingi muno kumani na wendia bo mauku ya indi ntubone ndi bwithirite bukialuka no ntubathoko chemira kuthoka manikitwa ndeto Marion Karugi na kinyete turene yanto amwe gembe South Mundene yoma okuyana tuturane ripoti na kine chunche kembere keronero.
Baba ingi bona mirayo irira yitite thokone indi batamenya ithero eyo yatia kende kinya thoko kuraya kinya nthiguru cia ome itithuki kana inyara mira ithero eyo ina mauku yaraya bwanene na Mario na kayarimawa na ni biashara oya ingi kenda nkumenyethia muthikiria na mutegeri wa Weru TV na Weru FM ningwete rwendo mwankanture ne yikene antu amuo miundene ra mauku ya yandi na kuliunga miundene ye yukenga kenga mauku ya na kuatanira na arimi baraba otunia rwendo otumiribo mauku miraene
mauku ya to welo to da yende kana mno ke o ivo mira kintu kembere moku ikurio kya kulo ko ya kantu yakti ikaria fringe kibwario okay kulo ko amiraro nya kana kintu kingi ki fresh iri dinaru ina azini tersuruina iri ongwa so ro kaba kantu ko kaba ko komba kuria kimwe kate anyara so yukurio kya kwa ile ina njira imbe ya otethia kintu ya kwitikanyara njira imputhu ibyo nto ipreform no kya ntu amira
tote mama ukumuntene twaitayo biasarene na tukorwa no ntuyo yao wa amira na bito mama uku yao wa amira maukuri thera ri kintu ukwo yani kinyoka wa kyo mira iteme akunyara no uri ntuku yele kana itato kana inya kiumya rio wete mira na ritinyara na kurete sana itowa mauru yara ya irio na tutiowa yo itare nene no ntu ukiowa mauru eka nyuma ya itare kai kiteme aguthirio ntuku yele kana itato kitanyara lakini itare atowa mauku ile ringa inya kiumya no ntu yuku ikintu kina roye na ike kuthithina
mauku ya getha ya mbisabe na weta nye kinya Mombasa ikinya fresh ikinya Somalia ikinya fresh nyera ita South Sudan ikinya fresh ila ita mwaka kisimayo ikinya fresh so yani manzi ya twalitane rwende ba yuyu betu na baba betu bara badukire imelaki getu kemira ora cholo ya wa nedio ita kwa mgoni kubaya no go mira kinende kimiru kietu wa mira na mauku na nikenda itikea kumira jirene kinyeze ani warikari kinyegere ani warikari itemia kuma
mauku yatema wa mathaya rukiri kenda ya kinya thoko mathaya oro
yonto ni betete otema imbeto otema kuraya na ndogo otema rukiri kenda kinya yo thoko ne mbaitha kumine ne mwiro twambira iria ngwe
na ithwania rire kurima mauku ya mirari reumire na
ndia uyeyire ya tanto vendro muidoni
ina mwarimu
tanto bara vemende ba no bari me maguri sabu yo muidoni
mauku ya murimi arike kurirwa mundene ni atema waya kabangwa kathumba na mubiashara aya kinya thoko kwenderia biashara bamira na acionera muate jwawe jwa ntuko
abango de kugutweni tugawa twe yamu ndi wanyanira wa muri adalende tugo bepte tugo kalba biashara ma sumekieni Mesumigelo aikua kundia ratalaika mesumigelo ngebaita
auramenya mauku yari kumithemba mwanya mwanya na mauri yayo no mwanya
rugo ndoto waambira ile kiwango ya chini mali tamanfeta na quality na quantity so kwena uku yontre na kona rene yo reka waambira ingeni ayo to alele na mbesi tofauti kiwango kiontre no ndringi gana ureri mundene kenda mubiashara wakurira eta komba kona kantu na eta kwende thokone
kwi muku yare ya piuro na mutato kirea na ya to mwiru ya tirea na inya na yuyo ya tetambukanga haraka okay kwa idea no ile uko kona ile umisana alafu to atrimarengi ile udisana ulingiri udhiri atambuka kwa hivyo wale de kiuma na inya buri de na mbesa na alafu tu tuna ya tu taanda pare ndabare ni ukurere anene area yukurunda bare iyo yembesa kulukia ya manunu nontu yara totala kintani alafu ya manunu ikibango yara no bange ntani tandatu kolunya dhate ndaku ina mbesa then ya manunu kidhumba kio omo kala kikanira muntu kubyo tikatala kaila cia kona mukuya kwa na kiwato tuwa kure
muthiayo isunsi kia mbere tukawatania ringi kiri sunsi kia biele nkumenyethia burota amenya ukoni mauku yari mawatea na ni bibiendekana kenda ya thongoma na yona mbecha nini mwandiki na mukuthuranirwo ono ruro mwanya Marion Karugi wa Naftali.
Right, na nikumira kinta tukona ninde kanya kakuna ukaende twicokera tukitha twicokera na mantu ya kwagirithia kieni kia kano kira kientere chaburi.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Worship Unlimited season is back. Ministering is Apostolic Worship Minister Douglas Maraga, Pastor Kaberia Overflow, GGV Church Meru Praise and Worship Team, Alabaster Family, Nation Worships International, Narrators of Worship, and of course, our very own Kestin Bogo. The 3 days Worship Unlimited begins on Friday 30th January to Sunday 1st of February this year 2026, and Bishop Dr. Patrick Kariuki of the Great Gospel Visionaries International welcomes us all.
We shall just go deep in worship. The whole weekend will be full of worship.
Sessions begin at 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. and on Saturday, sessions are from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. And then on Sunday, as usual, our first service is from 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. The Worship Unlimited 2026 on Friday 30th January to Sunday 1st of February this year 2026. Is your hat and dancing shoes ready?
Yani haya madhabahu tutajaza na uwepo wa worship. You don't want to miss that one.
Tukuwate ugeni Eden Baba Beauty Spa njaya kuyo thongi botingana nuna bongi kinyabure ku aja Meru. Njona harua tukuthongomia na magurija tekuinyiria mubuko jwa kuja class haircuts, coloring and styling, spa treatments and relaxing massages, nail art, manicure and pedicure, makeup and beauty consultation, dreadlock installation and retouch, waxing, eyebrow shaping, scalp treatment na jange. Aja Eden Baba Beauty Spa turi kuthongomia mwankanthi guro yonthe yuge ebai. Turi Greenwood Mall, floor ya ithatu na turugura ntuku chionde kuma Jumatatu mwanka Alamisi kwambiria thaijiri na ndariki ya 15 cia rukiri mwanka themwe na nusu ciogoro, na chio ntuku cia Njuma na Jumamosi ni kwambiria thaijiri na ndariki ya 15 cia rukiri mwanka thaijiri na nusu ciogoro, na ntuku ya Jumapili ni kwambiria thasta cia muthenya mwanka themwe na nusu ciogoro. Turingire thimu na rugukurukira 0723 555 015 kana utuchwekire mitandao yetu yonthe. Eden Baba Beauty Spa, where class meets confidence, because yes, you deserve it.
Uko ready ku entertain? Usually. GoTV inakupa more shows. Juu wewe ni wetu.
That's right.
More movies.
Yes.
Jackpot. More cartoons za watoi.
Of course.
Na more futa.
No doubt about it.
Habari ndio hiyo. Tunakupatia more.
Girl, that is so true.
Exactly. Lipia package yako tuko upgrade to the next package on us.
Yes, 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 yes.
That's good to know.
Mama Kanana, niuzie kwa unga. Unga yangano faster. Madhe, kama kawa.
Ala, bona huo?
Wow, usema ndio siri. Siri ni unga wa Nice ambao ni 100% extra premium.
Na bei yake ni
bora zaidi na ni nafuu. Pia Nice Extra Premium walituzwa kwa kuwa premium nambari 1 kote nchini.
Kweli, unga ambao ni 100% original extra premium. Nao unga wa Nice Extra ngano unakupa mandazi, keki na chapati nyororo na tamu. Nao mchele wenye ladha tamu na harufu ya kuvutia ni Nice Pure Pishori kutoka Nice Rice Millers, Mwea.
Nice na Nice Extra Premium.
I take this opportunity on behalf of the entire Yet fraternity, that's the management on the board. I'm pleased to invite you to our 34th AGM that will take place on Friday 30th at Yet Pamoja Investment Park from 9 a.m. This AGM will be an opportunity to share our financial performances for 2025, to showcase whatever you have done for that year, the milestones that you have made, and what you have managed to do in the year 2025. It will be a chance to engage with our members and all the stakeholders to tell them where the circle is ended and where we stand as today in terms of financial growth, whatever we've done in terms of infrastructure and the branches. I take this opportunity to welcome each and everyone so that we can be able to reason together as even as we plan for the success of this institution. See you there.
We are turning up the heat on Star Times. Unravel the thriller mystery of the evil eye returns on Star Life. Fall for the irresistible charm of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim on Novella E+. Get absorbed in the emotional twists of My Wonderful Life on Novella E. Step into the all-new season of Hello Mr. Right, Kenya's most exciting dating reality show on Rembo Plus. Renew your subscription today, starting from just 329 Kenya shillings for Nyota Bouquet on the aerial decoder or 549 Kenya shillings for Nova Bouquet on the dish decoder. Download the StarTimes app to stay connected anytime, anywhere. StarTimes. Enjoy digital life.
Mwazeni wait.
Lea Premium Flour, nurturing the world. Available in a store near you.
Right out twajokirania ati nende thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru kurukiro bichi wa kibiritia cha Jacob Mwirigi nambiretie kwagirithia kieni kia kibiritia kirakiye kieni kia kanwa kia Minister wa Michezo Elias Muraga nagirita kaunti ni kwagirithia bieni Meru gutigira biriantune ya kiria chebi.
Kieni gia kibiritia kana kira kiye kene mono ta kieni gia kano ikieni geture kirigireto na thigenke na chethi baga kurukira thini nyingi nonto bachethanagiria na ndethi aku onto borabo atemire MC wa kibiritia Jacob Mwirigi aringa mirango ya kaunti gochwa ntaire onto bobo nikyo bakinyete kieni nigike kuraitha buragi kuendelea nyuma ya romba yake kuthikirwa na atengerwa mbecha cha kuiriga kieni gike na maiga
activity ira twinio na arua ni kwambiria kwa kwirigwa kwa stadium mweje ya kibiritia initially irairigi na chain rink kugitangwa kwa chain rink nyomo kwija kurithwa kienine na atumiri ba kieni bakethwa bena challenge nene nio ndetere clean department ya sports na twaraniria na twarobe kiri budget making process tuona mbecha at least cha kwambiria phase 1 iji ni phase 1 na phase 1 turone tutietera mwankarera mbecha ikonora cia kuthithia kieni kionthe ori mwe tuga kayambiria nusu kiathithwa nusu kipindi kiu kingi financial year ingi tugachwa mbecha ingi na cio kenda kiumba kuthirikirwa kieni kigitumairwa kinya congregate biuthurano binene biria bite kumba gwa accommodate kungi nonto public grants cia erenkai akariba kibirichi baya ingugi baba inge muno ana betu nkurukia 40 thaiji iba kuinja foundation
na ikirendio ngenora waziri wa Michezo Elias Muraga yete wakikisha gumige kwiriwa na nkurukia kiromba nto kumenyagira into bya mwinge bira bigotumika
na twina kugwiro muno nonto contractor nombite kwa nafasi tukembethe na antu bomba kwithirwa at least go create employment for duration area akieni keke gako for the next 2 to 4 weeks na tukathiria phase 1 izi twambirite na arua tafadhali parubeo menau ukona gate ona gate scrap bomba kumithima hapana ugategera wona maigaza ugakobora maybe ka for madiko kwaku ari into bibia mwingi tafadhali tutetherieni kubikaria
inde twerethukietwo na gikeno muno na chethi wamwe na akariba kibiritia bakiuga thaino bena wirigiro thina chekieni kathira na nkuruki bagicokia nkatho nontu bakunenkerwa kanyaga kuruta ibarua bia waka
onto it has been a challenge deria tuguchethera ukethera rimwe tugutangana na wanyama na into yani ndethia rimwe irithetwo guku nontu ria kurari na neti niratuika so chigakuruka ndene ndejo kenge takachiago inkuona nichi kenera ngogire na untu already no baba ingo yaja ujo
twithire tugisukuma mheshimiwa wetu atuthithia kieni giki kenda at least gikethirwa kiri kieni kina uthiobo bwega na untu ikio kiri market kiri within market
kuma gicigo mbunge kia Bore ngiripotera ndeto cia weru niukambitaga ki Mutegi
Ngida kunatea siasa mwanya regani badirikari ni bakinyete mamburene ya NDC ya kiama KDP muchini munene ya Nairobi. Siasa babare ya mwana Rigathi Gachagua Martha Karua Kalonzo Musyoka na bangi baugite na mugambo yumwe batidira bakyuma rukaende bakata na kendo tira Rais Ruto na kwebela gitine kyo rais. Asiasa aba murengo muregani na thirikari ni bakinyete kimambura ya NDC ya kiama kia Democratic Party of Kenya kirake karikite muchine munene ya Nairobi. Akiaria Kalonzo Musyoka awete boya regani bathirikari bakawatana mwanka muthia akiwa mundu wono mwe na kinya kwariria makarika ya Jumapili ntereti othaya arawete boni onto bakayuketa garia ria kiwatho.
As we move ahead, we want to make it very clear that we shall hold together. We hold no grudge against anyone, but we hold grudge against corruption, misrule, impunity, the killing of our people.
Nawe urawari munini wa Rais Rigathi Gachagua akiaria auga rais na munini woke ni baithirite nende bakithuka kirietwa na ngui ya mututigi Rais Mwai Kibaki.
We remember Mwai Kibaki, that great man from Othaya. Kasongo and Soprano were in Othaya, saying how they emulate Mwai Kibaki. But the first thing Kasongo has done is to destroy the legacy of Mwai Kibaki of free primary education.
Akiongela awamoroto yoke ni utigira Rais William Samoei Ruto atiochoka utongerie neki kidurano kia 2027 na kuwa batikumenya no agatwika rais endi bakumenya no atitwika rais.
The people of Kenya are telling me, and I believe they are telling all of you, they don't know who will be president, but they know who will not be. Watu wa Kenya wameamua ni nani hata kuwa rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya.
Eugene Wamalwa akinyilia popatia thukana ende bakarwa miomo kindana na Ruto 2027.
Leo tunataka tuambie msiwe na wasiwasi, umoja huu vile dipi mnasema umoja na haki, our unity is not a choice, it's an imperative.
Martha Karua Anthony akiwa bawatanirite kenda na mugambo yomwe bebelia Rais Ruto etine na kuwa bakawatanira na kurwamia umwe.
We are in the united opposition because we all agree to the one-term movement to remove the pain of Kasongo, which is on every household.
Daitari Frem Matiang'i akioria thirikari kureka unkuma Kenya ende wiki mbeche uki machukuru kenda kuthia kithomo.
Fadhali serikali, instead of bribing people around, use that money for capitation. Take that money to schools so that we help our children.
Nyuma ya karekare mwe kawane kwa irua hari antu bamwe bedirite nende bakirongo akikudibe mu mwanke bedira bagitangira thato ego kundi nende ikundi bya ekoroku madero rojene bitongereto ni Catherine Kanariona Christopher mudhuri ni bedirite bakia mataro kwebana na kwa irua kaire kaita no kau bakorombo mubunge wekuru county na Meru karambuka ile mya kuingia wirane bo kinanjira ya kubanenkira cheke kenda kwa irua kwa iria kurongo kwebalana na kurongo choko Nicholas Chabari
ngabana ate dira yete gonto mbete itio dawa kai kuothwa na ngabana yowe ya kwanto mbecha
kulingana na Catherine Ikanario na Christopher Amuthuri barabonde ni atongoria aba ikundi mwanya ntere cia thirurujine bariuga ntugo ya Anjuma tariki 13 irio ekuru oba ikundi mwanya betiro ni antu bakumenyekana kenini ikia akagwiru na kwirikana ati ibaje na kikundi na ngiri ithatu nikenda bathina mbena gwetera angavana tatumanite kana kinyamenya mantu megi muchemanio uju
mtu wetu Isaka Meme na mtu wetu Njilo Mwa
iba udhuraneria ngekoro barabetie mbesa ngiri ithatu baebera ngabana neyete
na mpempe nacho baete na munga obiambi bagua yani kabwethete setup abera intobi nebetokonia ngabana atebia to ya antu baba tiochiomba kenda ngabana to aombo to chapoti kwa winto birabiongo ekuoya aenderie kwabe kwa undirenda kuatire nawe ngabana wetu no ntonge koro siriywa no nto bakodo ibagire proposal na bagajo proposal ijo ngabana aretete to bwethere muchemanio proposal siegembe central weya uretere ngekuru sekisio nikenda bareke kuiwa no nto mukaibandikire proposal na choyo ofisi neku ende barero bakero rwaririe yete bonde batura na ikabetete kuiwa
bakiuga tayari baringite ripoti kire ofisi ibachibone kenda anto baba thina na guchungunwa
muntu ameniseria kuna ntoria kuyari turanga bana no kuthukia na ibutu kuromba turiu tukua kundi biti bathi kuiwa mbia na antu bari yari turanga bana na tipo ya tukua mantu esunguso boya
ngabana wetu kwa mutolo na wamba burabura alikuwa kabero burali bo isaka na group wewe na inkori nyobichi ethirikari echunguze muntu uno ntonge korire yete nenkologi yange korongiri
wamba bo bwe kuendelea batu twetere nyobisi nesibo kenda antu bau betwa kuo no nto yembe centro wamba ibwendelete muno angwenda kwera ikundi na atongeria ba ikundi bonde boko yetu ambesa kianine ito wetekia ote munene we yake anine yete to muambesa ke yete otwa esunguso boya no nto ni yete koroba ubarwanda boya na to lele konto kora komi kabisa konto ya koroba te kuone komi
kuma kawere ngimbe centro Peter Class Chabari
Ngelo kona te Rais William Samoei Ruto na kujirete konyomo makwa gambidane 15 bakoti ocho kemamba riko ontobira bwithirite nindi bukiluta wikirwa inyarwa ngiro gambidane nduguruni ya Kenya na kinya kuni ya muspikano yo mamba akira kaita kunywa mu makwa gambidane bane ni Rais Ruto na kite wirane bokona dirikari yekini kwidira ekevya taira wado na kwathikira koti
Rais William Ruto ntuko ya omtheni arongamirite kunyuithwa muma kwa gambithania 15 baigotire gucokia magamba riko agibacokeria nkatho baria bathuri.
I congratulate the 15 honorable men and women sworn in today as judges of the Court of Appeal as you assume this high constitutional office in service of our republic. Your appointment carries immense responsibility and profound national consequence. In accepting this charge, you join a vital institution whose strength, independence, and credibility are indispensable to Kenya's stability.
Agambithania baba bathuretwe ntuko ya Njumainya rungu rwa katiba ya nthiguru ati kwegana rimwe 66 ya mbere B na Gazette Notice namba 1000 ira ikunenkera rais inya gutara agambithania ba koti jia gitumi kieguru.
Through your presidential action in appointing these judges, the Court of Appeal has attained a historic complement of 42 judges. This is the highest number ever since the birth of this great republic.
Rais ni akuga kiri miaka 3 thirikari iria atongoretie ni ongerete gai ria kigina kia magoti.
In the 2023-2024 financial year, we increased the judiciary's budgetary allocation from 18.8 billion Kenya shillings to 21.8 billion. This commitment has been sustained and strengthened over the past 3 years.
Umwe kwa umwe ni banywete mumo wa kweja na ugambi bakithingatira umana watho wa katiba.
In the exercise of the judicial functions entrusted to me, I will at all times and to the best of my knowledge and ability protect, administer and defend this constitution with a view to upholding the dignity and the respect for the judiciary and the judicial system of Kenya and promoting fairness, independence, competence and integrity within it. So help me God.
Caleb Mutembei, Uero TV.
Ubunge wa Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro netete na mbere guchukiria nende mibangire ya uritingwe wa thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza akirana wete no kumbuke kinyana kuthomo ndeni ya secondary arethirite akiongela kwinanto ndeni ya thirikari batumite laini kugura KPC ni Kenya Pipeline Corporation indi barichithia ni bakuma ndigurune ya Uganda.
And they are saying, wewe hata kama huna fee. But the same government on the other side is saying, oh, but remember, you still have to pay the fee. So I want Kenyans, let us now get into this caucus now, not tomorrow. Because Kenya is capable of offering free day secondary school education starting now. We only need the government to pay the 22,000 that is in the law, in the guidelines for capitation. And on top of that, the money that is required per learner in Kenya for the lunch program is an average of 35 shillings every day. And we have 185 days that we are in school. All the other days we are on holiday. And therefore, Kenya will only need just around 6,500 shillings additional per learner for all the day schools to be free, including lunch. And we can afford to add another 3,000 shillings on top of the 6,500 shillings so that the principals can get money to pay the BOM teachers where there are shortfalls and to pay all the other costs that are not captured under capitation. So I'm requesting those who are in government, there are movements that come to a nation that become critical junctures. The critical juncture for Kenya to offer free day secondary school is now, not tomorrow. And I am not pushing this burden to the government entirely. As a member of parliament for Kiharu, I am just saying I am ready for the government to cut our CDF by 30 million every constituency.